Today I'm meeting yet another Russian lady on the street, this time in Munich. And right off the back, I want to say this is not a flashy approach. A lot of you guys have been commenting on my videos that it's been, not any fancy game, that I'm not doing anything particularly special. And yes, that is true. Oh, you have cool tattoo.
Yes.
And tattoo says Amor. So it's similar.
Yes.
A lot of the stuff I'm doing is very basic, very principle based, and comes down to charisma and groundedness and being very present.
Du stichst heraus mit deinem
I
Outfit.
don't speak German. Sorry.
Okay, I will speak English.
Super.
I said you stand out in your outfit,
Thank you so
like
much.
creative and happy.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Russia.
Ah,
Yeah.
how did you land in Germany?
It was a long way. First I was in Istanbul and then I came here. Yeah.
Okay.
So she was charmed by the opener, her body language is grounded, she's not moving away, I'm grounded, I'm taking my sunglasses off to look her right into the eyes. And there's a little moment here where she says, it's been a long way from Russia to Germany, and I pause. I purposefully pause.
It was a long way. First I was in Istanbul and then I came here. Yeah.
Okay.
And basically by that I'm signaling to her, I want to know more. Like, this is not enough. Give me more information. Like, what does that mean? How long was the way? Tell me more. And then she does actually continue talking.
But do you live here or are you just a tourist?
I came to see my mom.
Your mom lives here?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
She tries that she wants me to enter to the university here and she wants me to live here too. But
Okay.
And this theme of pausing continues. And this is kind of like the point of this whole video, as you will see. This is not fancy. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not trying to be extra flirtatious or talk about sex or spin her around like some pickup videos were teaching many years ago. It's literally about getting into her mind, finding out something that is about her. That's why I say, what are the pros and cons for you personally? That's the question I'm asking here.
Interesting.
yeah.
I want to get into her mind and then compliment it, challenge it. But the whole energy I'm having here, as you can see on my body language, is grounded, stable. I got my feet apart. I'm not moving in. I'm not, nervously touching myself or grabbing onto something, touching my face, touching my hair, which I don't have here anymore. I'm super stable. And that is very important because what does that do? It establishes a dynamic of man and woman, right? I give her a certain task, which is answering me that question. And then I give her the space to actually answer, which on the one hand is good because she can think, she feels comfortable, but she also feels a little bit challenged because I do leave that pause. I'm not easily satisfied. I'm not like reaffirming constantly, this is fine, yeah, oh cool, oh you're so amazing, oh that's cool, yeah, interesting, even though I maybe don't even understand what she's saying. So really keep an eye out here on the pacing that I have during this conversation and how, even though I don't do anything special, slowly over time, she gets more and more into me.
What do you think about that?
I'm thinking about it.
You're thinking about it, you're not sure. What's the pros and cons for you personally?
I think that I have a stable situation in my country right now. I have a work and I know everything there. And maybe I'm a little afraid, maybe. Yeah. And I'm not sure that I will feel safe here, maybe. Yeah.
Safe?
Yeah.
Like physically or income?
About my income,
Yeah.
about my job, something
Right.
like that. Yeah.
And now you're in Moscow?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
in Moscow right now.
Yeah, makes
But I'm
sense.
thinking,
Change is scary.
yeah, I know.
Depends on your ambitions, I guess.
You see here, I ask 2 follow-up questions until I really get it. I'm genuinely curious and she appreciates that. And then I acknowledge her situation and I say, change is scary. So I'm building investment and then I validate that investment.
Like, do you want to learn new languages, grow, expand your mind, or
Yeah, that's why
you
I'm
want
trying.
to be
Yeah.
with what you have?
Maybe, I don't know. Last year I tried to enter to the front in Grenoble and
To the front?
yeah,
To the military?
no, in France.
France.
Yeah. to make my master's degree. Yeah.
I tried to enter the front
Yeah,
of the war.
sorry. Yeah, I've tried, but
No.
I didn't. It wasn't so easy that I thought.
To move.
Yeah,
Hmm.
but
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it. Yeah, actually.
Well, don't think too long. Or don't think too long.
Yeah,
Find a good balance of thinking and doing.
thank you.
I don't know. It's a very philosophical conversation.
Yeah.
What's your name? Alex.
Nice to meet you. And what about
Приятно.
you? Are you living here?
Not really. I had an event here.
Yeah, which one?
A presentation about marketing and stuff like this.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. I work with YouTube a bit. Not with YouTube the company, but growing YouTube channels.
Oh, cool.
And so I'm here a few days.
So
And then I go to
you are-
Zurich. Yeah.
Cool. But where are you from?
Born in Austria.
Austria.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What do you know about Austria?
Nothing, actually.
So why are you so
But
happy
I
when
was-
you hear it?
Now, this is a classic example. When people get to know each other, they often exchange where they are from, where they're born. And then the other person is always like, oh, wow, that's cool. Oh, wow, cool. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, sick. That's not enough. So she's really happy when she hears Austria.
Austria.
Yeah.
And I put that little challenge on her. I said, why are you so happy when I said that? And then she actually goes into a whole story, which is really interesting. Another example here is like simple questions. Often not just being happy with the first thing she says leads to investment. That's super important to remember.
Because I was in a transit zone once in a new year.
In Vienna airport.
Yeah.
Okay, it's something.
So that's why when somebody say Austria or Vienna, I'm just a little bit nervous because I was there for almost a day in a transit zone.
In
yeah.
the airport.
Yeah, in the airport.
On the 1st of January.
Yeah.
Oh, you celebrated New Year in the
Yeah.
transit zone, in the nowhere zone. Yeah, that happened to me with Christmas in Greece.
Whoa.
Yeah, I spent like Christmas in the airport. It was really sad.
Yeah. It was really sad. Yeah.
Oh,
And
it's-
after that situation, I said that I always will have visa or another passport. Yeah. Because
Oh.
we wasn't able to go somewhere because I don't have visa. I didn't have visa in my passport.
Now you have Schengen.
Yeah. Right now I have the passport of another country.
Oh, you bought it.
No, I don't want. Yeah, we found a way to make it.
But you had to pay.
No.
What? I have a lot of Russian friends. You can help them if you tell me how you did that.
I didn't pay. I have a Moldovan passport. Yeah.
Moldovan passport. And how did you get that?
Because my mom right now has a Moldovan one.
Yeah.
And she was born in Moldova, but she
Ah.
didn't have a passport of Moldova. Yeah.
But you could request it
Yeah.
as a daughter of somebody who is born.
yeah.
So you had to like
So-
prove the birth certificate, stuff like this.
Yeah.
That's
so right
cool.
now I'm lucky.
Wow. Okay. I thought you did some dodgy, crazy stuff, or you just paid a lot of money.
Yeah.
'Cause
No.
I know it's very difficult for Russians now
Yeah.
to
Right
travel.
now, yeah.
Super
It's really
difficult.
difficult.
So I understand that you have to find solutions. I get
So
it.
yeah, we have to find solutions if we want to see each other. Yeah.
And Moldova it's a good passport, relatively.
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully it doesn't
if we
get invaded
if we
next
compare with the Russian one, it's really good.
after Ukraine. Next is Moldova. So
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I'm so sad about it. Yeah, because I have lots of relatives there.
yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of Russians have family in Ukraine and vice versa.
Yeah. Mine too.
Yeah.
My aunt lives there.
Okay.
But everything is fine right now.
Это хорошо.
Fine.
Я рад. You say it like this? Я рад.
Да.
I'm glad about it. Yeah.
So you have a lot of Russian friends.
Ukrainian mainly. Yeah.
Ukrainian.
And some Russian.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's an interesting conversation.
For sure. We should continue
Yeah.
one day. Not now. I'm a bit tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too. I really had a long day today. Yeah. I'm trying to how to say I've made a present for my mom. I bought a new phone.
A new phone.
Yeah, but in Russia because her was broken, and I'm trying right now to transfer all the information from her oldest one to the new.
Oh, is it
Yeah.
iPhone?
No, she
Ah.
didn't want to.
Hmm.
I really wanted to buy it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
of
bought a
course.
Samsung, and I thought that there is a Samsung store because the Russia they said that it will be easier for you.
Of course.
Yeah, don't worry.
And here nobody helps you.
Yeah, I've
Oh.
really I've made
Yeah.
a long trip today, and nobody can help me.
Brutal.
Hmm.
And you're still in such a good mood.
Yeah,
I
I'm
respect
trying
that.
to.
Wow.
Because I thought about the beer.
You're a fountain of energy.
Thank you.
Very nice. I would be already frustrated if I had to deal with Samsung all day.
She's frustrated. She has to deal with some Android phone transfer bullshit. And that's a negative topic. And I'm not going into the negative. I'm turning it into a positive by saying, and you're still so friendly and cheering and smiling. I really like that about you, right? So in a first conversation, you usually don't want to enter negative talking space, right? Of course, we all have problems, issues, traumas, and that's fine to discuss maybe on a first date or a second date. But in the very first interaction, we want to keep it light, friendly, cheerful. So she's going into this kind of negative space, you know, she's telling it in a fun way, and I'm using it to make it positive, to compliment her, and actually flirt a little bit here as well.
Oh, yeah, I was angry. I've said.
Yeah, I
I'm
believe
angry.
you. I would be raging.
But the good weather maybe helps me
Very good.
to keep in a good mood.
I appreciate it. Okay. I will text you and we can meet sometime and continue talking.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm not asking her, hey, do you maybe one day, if you're free and you like me, hang out one day, is that okay? No, I'm like, I'll text you and we're gonna meet, right?
Yeah, okay.
Because I just got 7.5 minutes of evidence that she's into me. She didn't move an inch. She looks me in the eyes. She was smiling. She was very flirtatious, which you cannot see here in the video, but she was like really holding eye contact. So I'm the man. I'm the boss, and I tell her what's up, and she appreciates it. So be very careful with the close. Don't make it weak. Don't be weak. Don't ask for permission to see each other again. Tell her that she's cool, that you like her. Give her a compliment like I just did. I like that about you. And that's why I want to see you again in that kind of structure. And make the close as strong as at the beginning. A lot of guys fall off there.
I'm staying here for almost a month.
How many months?
A month.
Oh,
I'm
good.
staying.
And you just arrived?
Yesterday.
Beautiful.
Oh, no. The other day, sorry.
Cool.
But it feels like yesterday.
I have to go to Zurich tomorrow, but I'll be back. You have Russian number.
Yeah.
You use WhatsApp?
Yeah.
+7, right?
Let's. Oh. Ooh. It's super cool. Yeah. Can I? Thank you. I have a German one, but I don't think that's a good idea.
You have 2 WhatsApps.
Yeah.
Oh.
Only one WhatsApp in Russian, and right now I'm using the German one. I think. Yeah. So
You
try,
switched it?
please.
Let's try.
See.
I'll save you as
Yeah.
Munich.
Munich.
2025.
You have lots of.
In Munich, only you.
But you know the name.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah.
Interesting test from her side here. And this will happen in various stages of a relationship with a girl. She's like, oh, so you know many and I'm saying, in Munich, only you. What's behind that? Really what it means is she's testing here. Are you a fuckboy? Are you an asshole? Are you gonna break my heart? And why is she doing this?
Why?
She, again, wants to see my masculinity. She wants that the polarity stays active. She actually does not want me to budge here and say, no, only you. No, I don't do this a lot. You know, girls might ask you, do you often approach women on the street? Or, you know, are we official now? Or are we monogamous? Or you still have other lovers, like very early in a relationship? They don't want you to get weak. They want you to be, on the one hand, honest, not super transparent, you know, not give them the exact details of who you're sleeping with and who you're texting with, but they want to see, is this guy easily to take over, or is he gonna stay his ground? They're not asking to get the truth because they know the truth, they feel the truth, they know what's up. They just want to see, how do you react to the challenge?
Yeah, I found you.
You
I'll
found me?
send you an emoji. Let's choose an emoji that fits you.
I don't see you.
No, I didn't send it yet.
Something beautiful. A
Maybe
potato.
Corn?
I like potatoes.
You like potatoes? No, I'll send you
Especially
corn.
fried.
This is more colorful.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
I'll send you this. Yeah.
What did you send? Oh, that's you?
Yeah.
Wait, I have one of me. No, that's my friend.
It's
Oh.
me in winter.
Wait, I don't want to show you my stickers.
I'm so sorry. I was
They're
curious.
private.
Yeah, so sorry.
No problem.
Gosh, we don't say.
I didn't find me.
right?
I just sent you
Yeah,
this
let's
one.
see. But it has... Whoa, it's not you.
No,
it's
it's
a
not
cat.
me. But sometimes I'm a cat. I didn't find mine.
Cozy.
I found one, but it was too embarrassing, so I didn't send it.
Why?
Too shy.
Too shy for
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
Or for me?
For me. I didn't want to embarrass myself. Okay.
Yeah. It's your eyes when you saw me.
Yeah, it's when I saw you. Exactly.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
See you around. Bye-bye.
And that's it. A wonderful Russian lady. I got her number. She's excited to see me again in the daylight in a German city. If you're again thinking, okay, there must be something more to this, there is obviously, right? I have years and years of experience. I've done thousands of approaches, and I'm happy to share my secrets with you in the Dating Decoded live workshop. 25 of August. It's limited to 40 spots, and it will be a long presentation where I explain my exact method. You can ask questions in the end, and I'm gonna pack it with interactive exercises that you can do straight away or the next day to improve your game and finally get started with meeting ladies on the street. Also, I just opened a few spots for live workshops. 2024 is ending, kind of. I mean, it's August right now. I'm doing 3 more workshops during this year, and that's it. And these workshops are limited to maximum 6 guys, so you can do the math. If you want to join these workshops and work with me and the team live on the street in real, you can click below for all information. That's it. And let me know what you take away from the breakdown like this, and let me know if I should do more. That's it. Gotta go. Peace out.